Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Yooldo Games token or esports token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Yooldo Games token just get listed on Binance Alpha. So if you want to buy it, I will show you how to do it. First, you can open your Binance apps and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your wallet here in the top. You can see wallet. And this is your wallet page. You can click Alpha here, Alpha tab, and you will find esports here. You can click it. But if you cannot find it, you can back to Binance homepage and go to your search box here in the top, and then search esports. Oops, typo. Okay. What? Sorry. Esports. That's it. You can search it and you will find esports on Alpha. You can click it. And then this is the chart. So it's not really, I don't know if it's good or not because it's very early. So yeah. So if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and then you can find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume it's not really bad because it's high, I think, for the early token. And you can also check their social media, their X account. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click the red here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order or instant buy. If you choose instant buy, you can swap your BNB here or other token to esports, or you can choose limit order. You can put the price you want like this, and yeah, you can put it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.